Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to distribute your music on Bandlab to reach a wider audience. Whether you are an independent artist or part of a band, Bandlab makes it easy to share your music with the world. Bandlab works like DistroKid, TuneCore, and United Masters. Despite the fact that it's a DAW, it's used for producing music, it still allows you to distribute your music to the world after producing. Alright, so today we're going to see how we can actually do that. The first step we have to take is to ensure your track is finalized, double check the mix, arrangement, and any final edits. When satisfied, just come over here and click on save at the top right corner. Once that is saved, you can head back to the website, and then you will find all your saved projects from the website. Alright, so if you come over here, you see all your projects appearing right here. So just what you want to do is to click on any of the saved projects that you want to distribute, and then you can just come over here at the right hand side. You find this distribute option, click on that, and now you can see that distribution is available with membership only. So you need to actually become a member by paying $14.95 per month, or you can choose to pay annually 149.5 cents per year. All right, so or you can even start a 3 days free trial. So I'll just click on this try free for 3 days, and what we have to do next is to link our email. So you have to enter your email address right here, select your country, and then click on continue. And after that, you will need to enter your card details, your credit card details, or you can pay with paper. Right, so I'll just go ahead and fill in my credit card details, and then we shall proceed. Alright, I've entered my credit card details and I clicked on start free trial, and this is the next page where we have to see what's in store for us in the membership plan. So I'll just click on see what's in store, and then we can now see all these things right here. First thing is to explore AI vocal tools to enhance your creation. Alright, so this membership plan comes with different packages that can help you grow your music producing journey using Bandlab. Alright, so I'll click on next and click on next because these are everything it comes with, and then I'll click on continue. Alright, so now we can now be able to distribute our music. So we can now still come over here. Yeah, this is the song we want to distribute. Alright, so I'll just come over here and click on this distribute, and then we can now start the process. So here you can see we can now start the process. So the first thing we want to do is to enter our release title. Alright, so let's say the release title for this is gonna be Love Story. Alright, and this is the version, whether it's a remix or edit or live or etc. But this is actually optional, and this other one as well is composer, which is the primary artist name. So this the artist name I want to go with. And then if you have a Spotify profile already, you can click here to link your Spotify profile. Alright, so go ahead and enter your profile link right here if you have one, but I don't have, and you have to do the same for Apple Music if you have an account already, but I don't have, so I'm not going to do anything there. So the next thing I have to do is to select my genre. I'm going to say blues, and this other one is optional. This one is optional, so if you are under a label, you can go ahead and enter it right there. And here says release date as soon as possible, and it will take 5 to 7 business days. All right, so once you're done with all these, just click on next, and then the next thing we want to do is to scroll down and fill this other information. So starting with the artist name, which is already added, and then contributors like the producers, the songwriter, etc. So if you want to include their name in the song, so you can click on this plus sign to include their name right here. So once you're done adding the name, you can add the name right here, and this is the role. So you click on this drop down button to select their role right here, and that's it. So once you're done adding that, click on this add button. But I don't want to add anything there, so I have to scroll down, and yeah, this one, it says, has this track been released before? If yes, select yes. If no, select no. And this other one is for the lyrics language, so click on this drop down button and select the language. So I'm going to leave it to be English. All right, now this one is explicit content. So if your song contains offensive words, you can just come over here, click on this drop down and select explicit, but if not, select not explicit. And then finally is for the songwriter's name. So this one is for the songwriter's name. So come here and enter the songwriter's name. So I'm going to enter my name, and I'll click on this add button. Make sure you click on this add button to add it right there. And then these other two are optionals. So I'm going to click on next. All right, it then takes us to the next page. Let's check if we have an error. Oh, we have one right here. So this one says this one's for the composers, so I have to enter the composer's name right here, and I'll click on add. All right, then let's click on next. Okay, so now we are on the next page. Now the next thing we want to do is to add our cover art. All right, so if you want to do that, click here and select from your computer. But before you do that, you have to make sure that your cover art meets this requirement. All right, so I'll click on this, and then what I just have to do is to search for a cover art that I worked on and saved on my computer. So I think it's this one, and then I'll click on open and then start updating it. All right, so next is to click on this upload picture, and then it will start uploading. All right, so it has been added. The next thing we want to do is to click on next, and then we have to confirm compliance with the requirements. So just go ahead and make sure you read this. It's a unique cover design. There's no reference to drug, nudity, or extreme violence, blah blah blah. Make sure you go through this and then click on next. And finally, we have to review our release. So go ahead and cross check all the details you've entered. All right, so once you're happy with everything, just click on submit. And then it says terms of service. So your release is almost done. Please agree to the terms below. So you have to agree to all these terms, check all these boxes, and then click on agree. Alright, so it says that our email is not yet confirmed. Our email is not confirmed. So I have to go to my email and confirm. I think my email, they sent me an email, but I didn't confirm it, so I have to go to my email and check for it. Alright, so this is the email. So this email was actually sent to me when I was creating my Bandlab account. So once you create your Bandlab account, you receive this email. So you have to confirm the email before the process of distributing your music can be completed. So I didn't open the email, talk more of confirming it. So I'm just going to do that right now by clicking on the confirm button, and let's see. All right, let's see if that will go well for us. So I need to confirm I'm not a robot. All right, so I'll go through this process and get back. All right guys, it says my email is not confirmed, and that's because the email link has been expired. So that was actually my fault. I'm very sorry about that. So I'll head back to my Bandlab account. So I'm heading back to bandlab.com, and then I'm already signed in. I'll just click on this my profile icon, and then I'll click on settings, and then I'll click on accounts right here, and then I'll resend the email. So I'm just clicking on resending, and then it says that been sent. So what I just have to do now, since they have sent it, is to go to my email. So right now I want to do that from my phone, so I'll just click on confirm. Alright, I've confirmed my email finally, and as you can see right here, there's nothing like confirm email showing here. So now I have to head back to the website, and we can now continue our distribution. So again, we just have to click on submit from the distribution page, and that was the final step we wanted to do before I had to confirm my email. So I'll just click on this box, this one and this one, to confirm all terms of service, and then I'll click on I agree. And then as you can see, it says your release has been submitted. So that's it guys. That's how you can actually distribute your music on Bandlab. Alright, so like they told us, it will take like 5 to 7 business days for our release to appear on all platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, YouTube Music, etc. Alright, so that's it guys. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If you guys give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.